In this video, I'll show you how to create a bulk order form for WooCommerce. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So throughout this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a customizable bulk order form to your WooCommerce store, similar to this one here. So for example, your customers can quickly search for the items in which they want. As you can see, everything's happening instantly. We can reset this filter here. We can filter by category and we can bulk add items to our basket, okay? And we can see everything displaying here as well. And then when the customer is ready, they can just go ahead and check out. So if you want to create a similar setup on your WooCommerce store, the first step is to head over to aovup.com. Go ahead and download the product table plugin by AOVUp. I'll leave a link in the description below. And with that being said, let's head over to our dashboard. Okay, so assuming you've downloaded the AOVUp product table plugin, the next step is to go ahead and upload that plugin. So we go plugins, add new, go ahead and upload and install the plugin. Once you've done so, you'll see this WooSuite menu here. Click activate, enter in your license key, then it will automatically redirect you to this add-on section. And then from here, we can just go ahead and enable the product table plugin. Now let's go ahead and create our bulk order form. So we'll click manage, and then from here, we'll click add new table. We'll give it a name. Okay, and then we'll navigate down to order form information. So here we'll add the different columns that we want to display on our bulk order form. So first, I'm going to go ahead and display our SKU code, then the product name, the product image, product category, and the price, and our add to cart button. Okay, so that looks fine. If we want, we can rearrange these columns as well. We can also rename them. So let's change this to product instead of saying name. Let's hit update and then we'll X this off. Okay, so that looks fine. I'm going to leave a lot of these settings as default because we don't need to change them. You can change them if you want. Let's scroll down to bulk add to cart. And then here, I'm going to go ahead and select a button and a checkbox. I'm going to enable our Ajax add to cart behavior. I'm going to enable the quantities as well. And then for our variable product, instead of sending customers to the product page to choose their variation, we're actually going to display the variations in a drop down selection, okay? Or we can show the individual variation on a separate row, okay? So it's totally up to you. So I'm just going to select this option here, okay? And then we can scroll down to order form control. I'm going to leave most of these as default. For product filters, I'm going to set it to be based on the columns that we've got. You can enable custom filters if you want, but I'm just going to leave it as default for now. Let's scroll down. We want to enable this reset button. We can allow customers as well to download our product list into a CSV format or even a PDF format. Okay, for the order form design, we can go ahead and customize the design here. So we can choose custom design and then we can customize it accordingly. Okay. And if you want to add any custom CSS, you can enable this option here and then add your custom CSS styling. One thing I should mention, which I didn't, if we head back over to order form information here, is let's say, for example, you wanted the add to cart button column to take up, let's say 50% of our bulk order form table. Okay, we can just add 50 here, right? And it's in percentage. So it will take up 50% of our order form table, or we can just leave it as default to auto. Now that we've made all our changes, let's just go ahead and hit save changes. Okay, and let's head back over to our general settings area. Okay, now this is the order form which we just created. So I'm going to copy the shortcode and then I'm going to create a new page for our bulk order form. So let's just click add new page. We'll just give it a name. So we'll say, and then we'll just insert our shortcode here. Let's hit publish and then we can go ahead and preview that page. Okay, and here you can see our bulk order form. So the customer can quickly sort by SKU code. They can quickly search for a product. So for example, and as you can see, everything's happening instantly. We can quickly select our variation, add it to cart. And if you're using the all-in-one checkout plugin, you'll be able to have access to this side cart area here as well. There's a free version, so there's no reason not to have this side cart widget. It just makes it more convenient for your customers. So as they're adding stuff to their basket, so for example, if we add this one to our basket, we can just see it updating here instantly. Okay, so we can keep a tab on everything that we add into our basket. And then once they're ready, they can just go ahead and click checkout and go through the checkout process. We can click reset, we can filter by the attribute. And that's a quick and simple way to create a bulk order form for WooCommerce. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you've got any questions, leave it in the comment box below or reach out to support and we'll get back to you as soon as possible.